Hi guys, welcome to byteofficial, and for today's video I have this mouse by Razer, that is the Razer Pro Click Mini. And so today we are basically going to do the unboxing of this mouse, and we're going to see how this compares to my Logitech M235. Okay, and as you might know, this Logitech mouse is as old as my YouTube channel and my laptop, and let's see, is this better or not. So let me first try to unbox it, and yes, this is coming in this white and green packaging with 2 years of warranty, and it has Bluetooth and dongle both. Okay, and by the way, this is imported from China, as you can see, not an Indian product again, but we can't do much about that. So let's try to unbox it. Okay, I think we have been given a flap here. I had actually bought these scissors. I thought we need to cut through it, but maybe we don't just need it. So I can just open this with the flap, and fortunately I didn't get the open box delivery this time, so I am glad for that, else it has been ages unboxing videos on YouTube. So this is out, and now we can just open this up. And yes, this comes in this unique packaging that you can see, opens up like a flower. And we can just remove this from here, and let's just remove it from here now. So now inside we have this brown simple box, and yeah, a pretty thick manual. Oh, that's something. Let's see how big it is. Okay, you can see the manual, just like a newspaper, but I don't think we need this. And now let's open this over here. And here in this cloth bag we have the mouse itself, and this is how it looks. And let's see if we have got anything else in this. Here I can see batteries, so 2 Energizer batteries, and they are pretty heavy. And do we have anything else? No, nothing else. Apart from that, this is just empty, so just removing it. Okay, so this is the mouse itself, and this I purchased it in white and gray theme. In the back we have this felt pads and the buttons and the sensor. And if I hold it, see, to hold it's good. If I compare this side to side with my M235, the size is almost the same, the length. The width is broader. This is a bit broader than this one. And you can see the sound of the buttons. Okay. And on the back also we have the buttons, and this is what it compares to this one. See, you can see this actually has silent clicks. So let's remove this mouse for now, and let's try to install the batteries. So I think they should come off from here, so I can just pry it open from here. And this is magnetic, by the way, so let's see, I can just remove it from here, and it's off the cover. And inside we have to just put 2 batteries. And the interesting thing about this mice is that it works with 1 battery as well. And here we have the dongle. Let's see. So let me just insert the battery. So now I think we will need this scissors. And let's see if we can use this with 1 battery or not. So let's say I'm inserting only 1. And then I think here we should have this button. You can see this I have turned to dongle mode, and we also have the Bluetooth mode. So if I do this, put this up, this will turn into Bluetooth mode. See. So let's now first try to use it in the dongle mode only, and it's sliding good. And I think I kept the dongle inside only, so I can just extract it from here, snap it on. Okay, it snapped perfectly. Okay, so now let me just connect this to the my PC and let's see what. Okay, so over here the Razer Synapse 4 is installing, and Razer was providing me with a bunch of other software as well to install, but right now I'm just going with the basic one that is required for this video. And it seems it will take some time to install. Okay, so I'm just speeding up this part. Okay, so this is done, and you can just click on get started. Okay, it seems we need to log in over here first, but I think Razer should give us an option to just continue with without logging in as well, because yeah, sometimes people don't want to log in. Again, we need to put some details over here like the birth date and all. And we can set up some password. Okay, over here, and now let's see the option. And by the way, you could have seen that there is many things running on my desktop at the same time, because yes, this was an impromptu video that I decided to record in the middle of other things, as suddenly out of the blue I received this parcel today. And yeah, just to be clear, I had purchased this parcel, but I did not accept this to, basically I did not expect this to receive today. So that's the reason for this instant video. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so here we have other things that Razer wants to install, but I am not going to install them right now. Here the device which is still downloading, and some more comments by Razer. Other modules and stuff is there, but I think I'll explore these some other day. Today let's just focus on our mouse, and by the way, this is working fine. The scroll is clicky. You could hear this also, and this is the DPI button in the middle. I think the interesting thing is that the scroll also, it has tilt scrolling, which I cannot use here, but if I have something where I can scroll sideways, and this can be used. And we have two keys on the thumb as well on the left side, so this can also be used. And by the way, the light over here, the sensor is invisible, same as Logitech, but interestingly, whenever I do a click, you can see this light over here glows. Sometimes, this time it's not glowing. Okay, right now it's not glowing, but that time earlier it was glowing. I don't know why. And on the surface it works very good, and this also works on glass as well. And by the way, all the keys are customizable, and yes, as you can see from the design, this is only for right-handers, so we cannot use this by left hand, as if I, let's say, hold it in this way, it's difficult to control these two keys with my pinky finger. So I think only for right-handed people. And now here, this is here, I can see the, okay, so this is standard, and what is this? Let's see. Okay, hyper shift key we can use for extra buttons. Okay, we can explore this later. We have multi-device pairing as well. If I use Bluetooth, I can also pair another, I think, 2 more devices using Bluetooth, 2 or 3. Okay, and here we have scroll right, left, scroll click, right click, left click, and here 2 more mouse buttons. Okay, on the side. Okay, and I can just click here and I can customize it as a mouse function, as a macro or something. Left side, double click, scroll up, scroll down, repeat, scroll up, repeat, scroll down. Notice this turbo. Okay, if I can also do repeat turbos. Okay, and then we have sensitivity also, we can just increase and decrease. And this we can use to switch between free spin scrolling and tactile cycling mode. Okay, so I think, and the performance here we can change the polling rate up to 1000. DPI right now it's at 400. We can increase this up to 12,000. And here we can set when the mouse will go to sleep, when it is idle to save power. So that is something, and it's good. The app looks good, and it is comparable to the Logitech's Logi Options app, which I had with this earlier older mouse. And compared to this mouse, yes, I have extra buttons, 2 extra buttons, extra scroll mode using this. See, I can just nudge this forward. Now it is in free scrolling mode. See, now I can just go. You can see it keeps on scrolling. And if I just push it back, now it is in the hinge the mode, the scroll. This is a bit tight for some reason, but do the job. And yeah, this is lighter than this, though a bit broad. And again, this has also only 1 battery in it, you can see. And here also I have only placed 1 battery to keep it light, because I will always have the second one handy, and I can, once this drains over, I can use this. I don't need both the batteries together here. But yeah, if you want to increase the weight, you can add another battery as well. That will be perfectly fine. It will just give you extra battery life. So with both the batteries, it is expected to run for a year. So I think 6 months from 1 battery, but I think that's more than enough for me. And that was all from my side for this mouse. And if you have any queries regarding this mouse, you can let me know in the comments below. Okay, and yeah, before going, just one more thing. Actually, I was planning to buy the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 as well, but then that was the last mouse left, last piece on Flipkart, and for some reason Flipkart decided to not send it to me. The order got automatically cancelled from the Flipkart end, so I couldn't bring that to compare with this. But in future, if you want, I can bring that as well. And just by the looks of it, I can say there is not much difference there. The only pro that I can say with the Logitech is that you will get the Type-C port in the Logitech at the front, and you can charge it. You will not need to replace the batteries, which you have to do over here. And the negative thing of the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 is the side scrolling is not there. So this function is missing. Though we can use this, we can just assign one of these mouse click buttons to side scroll. Okay, but then again, it has less keys. And in totality, I'll say this is better for me, but for you, you can prefer Logitech MX Anywhere 3 as well. But yeah, for me, I prefer this one to Logitech MX Anywhere 3 due to the extra buttons and also because I can replace the battery. So I feel that if you want to use the mouse for long run, it's better that I can just swap out the batteries rather than charging it, because someday or the other that battery that is inside inbuilt in the mouse is going to deteriorate, right? And I will have no way to change that. And the final nail in the coffin for Logitech is that it has its infamous double click issues with all the mouses due to its switches that I hope I will not receive here. And by the way, even this mice had double click issue. I am saying had because I fixed that myself. And if you want to know, do subscribe to my channel, because the next video will be on that only, that how I managed to fix the double click issue with this mice. And I think that should work with other mice as well, especially with Logitech, and if there are other brands also, that might also work. So that is all from my side for today. Thank you and bye bye.